He did the stare and drive on you, didn't he? He got that from me.
What's his deal?
I got a problem with authority.
You just need to chill out. You ready for this?
Come on, man. Guns, murderers, and crooked cops. I was made for this, bruh.